Like I have been explaining in most of my videos that if you are able to get these three things right, then you are most likely to be making profits whenever you are trading on daily basis. Okay, and what are the three things? The three things are what I will be highlighting in in this video. And if you want to know more about them, kindly stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, guys, these are the three things which I have been telling us to take note of whenever we want to do our trading analysis. Okay, the first one is the support region. Okay, the support region, and the second one is the resistance zone, and the third one is the trend. Okay, these are the three things which I have been highlighting or hammering on in most of my videos. If you are able to get these three things right, then you will be, you are most likely to be having profitable trades on daily basis. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, amongst these three things, the most important of all is trend. However, the three items which I have listed right here are very, very important because they work hand in hand. And I'm going to prove this to you in this video. This is 15 minutes time frame. When this particular resistance zone, this particular asset was buying, it got to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, so the resistance zone is a point where there is an hindrance for the market in order for it to go higher than what it is going into. Okay, so that is it. So this is the resistance zone. It finds it difficult to break out above this, pull back, went back up again, still unable to break out above it. Since it's unable to break out above it, it's going to change the trend of the market at that particular point. It was on uptrend before, so it now changes it into a downtrend. That is why we are having the red flag, the trend signal popped up, and of course the sell signal also popped up. So it came down and broke out from the last support zone to form a new support zone, tried to go back into an uptrend but didn't go too far, and of course it went back down to try out this support zone again, and you can see it broke out below it and got to this region. Okay, this is where the magic came in. Okay, I remember very well about 3 or 4 days ago, we traded this particular trend, this particular downtrend in the Telegram platform, and we made a lot of profits right from there. So right now, it has gotten to this support zone. It tried it out several times. You can see it right from here. And if you should check out my analysis in yesterday's video, you will notice that I did an analysis on this and I said this is most likely to go on buy trend right from there. And if you are also on the Telegram platform at around 10 p.m. or 11 at around 10 p.m. Nigerian time, you will notice that I also posted a signal in the Telegram platform, and it was a buy signal for this particular asset. Okay, I told you that this should be your entry point, and of course this should be TP1, TP2, and TP3. Remember, this is 15 minutes time frame. So if you had gone into the market, you should be in a lot of profit right now. How did I generate this signal? It's as easy as this. Okay, I don't need to crack my brain to do any other analysis because the indicator is actually doing the work for me. Okay, it makes it very easy for me to analyze right from there. That is the power of AI, guys. That is it. So guys, right from this support zone, since it was unable to break out from this major support zone, it gave me an uptrend signal by giving me this yellow flag right from here, and it also gave me a buy signal at this point. Okay, just because of this ranging period for the community to have a same trading activities, I put the entry point at this point because I want it to break out from this ranging region. However, I started mine right from here, but for the community, I made sure I gave them an entry point at this point, okay, so that they can have a unique and safe trading activities. And at the same time, I also gave them where to put the stop loss in order to reduce the risk in case the market decided to misbehave. Okay, so that is it. And of course, I gave us the first TP at this point, the second TP at this point, and this is the third TP. Okay, so it has achieved the first TP, it has achieved the second TP, and the third TP is going on right now. For those of you that are having this trading tool, I'm very sure you should be having two orders right now, one at this point and the second one at this point. And of course, this should be in huge profit right now. And of course, guys, the TP3, I mean, the market is now heading towards the TP3. So if you are still in the market, keep an eye on it to make sure it gets to the TP3 successfully. Okay, so this is very, very important. If you know your way around the market, you will always beat the market all the time, or you are most likely to beat the market on daily basis. Okay, so that is the beautiful part about it. So if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. And if you want more information about this trading tool, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. And do not forget to join the Telegram channel. The link is down there in the description box below this video, because more signals will be posted today and you can also benefit from it. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.